Hi friends! Today I want to teach you how to play a game called Make 10 at home as a solitaire game. Now, you may have played this with partners in school at another time or seen a video on how to play it with partners, but today we're going to learn how to play all by ourselves. So all you need is either a DecaDeck or a regular deck of cards. So a DecaDeck, you may have seen these before, maybe they don't look just like the ones I have here, but this is the set of cards that have tallies and finger counting, 10 frames, digits, and dice to represent the numbers 0 through 10. So you can use your DecaDeck, whatever yours looks like, or you can use a regular deck of cards. The only thing that you need to do is remove all of the face cards. We don't want in there the face cards in there. So just a regular deck of cards from ace to 10. You won't have any zeros to play with, but that's okay. You can find zeros by subtraction. So I'm going to show you with the DecaDeck today. So to play Make 10 as a solitaire game is you have your deck of cards out and you turn over 5 cards to face you. And the goal of the game is to see if you can beat the deck by making combinations of 10 and not running out of cards. I'll show you what I mean. So here I have a 4, 3, a 10, a 6, and a 0. Now the game is called Make 10, and we might think that it's great to have a 10, but you can only use a 10 if you partner it up with at least one other card. Now in this case, I have a 0. So I know that 10 plus 0 make 10. So I'll take those two. Now I have 2 points. Then I'm going to look again, and I'm going to see what I have left. I know that this 6 and this 4 also make 10. So I can put those two together, and now I have 2 more points. Now this 3 is just hanging out here, and I'm going to give myself 4 more cards because I always want to have 5 out in front of me. So I'll have the 3 there. Ooh, I got a 5 and an 8. Oh, and another 5. That's good news. And what is that? That's a 9. So let me see what combinations I have here to make 10. So I know that 5 plus 5 make 10, but I want to try to use as many cards as I can, and I realized that I also know that 5 plus 8 makes 13, and 13 minus 3 makes 10. So that's a way for me to use all 3 of these cards. So again, that was 5 plus 8 is 13, minus 3 is 10. So now I have 3 more points. And I'm going to keep these 2 here and turn over 3 more cards. I got another 9, a 0, and a 4. Oh my goodness. Well, oh, phew, I found a way to make 10. Because how many more does 9 need to make 10? 9 needs 1. And it just so happens that I can say 5 minus 4 is 1, and 1 plus 9 is 10. Oh, and 10 plus 0 is still 10. So I actually was able to use 4 of those cards in a row. Let's see, I'm doing pretty good here. I'm not sure if the deck is going to beat me today. Let's see, I have a 3, a 0, a 1, and a 9. Well, I know that 9 plus 1 make 10. Ooh, and 10 times 1 is 10. And that 10 plus 0 is still 10. So I was able to use another 4 cards. Let's keep going. Got a 6, a 0, a 0, and a 9. Oh no. Friends, I don't think I can make 10 with this combination. I think I'm stuck. So if this happens to you, don't worry, the game's not over. It just means that you take all 5 cards out. Now the deck has just made 5 points for itself. So we're going to put those over here. So we remember that the deck now has 5 points, but it's okay because I have all these other points that I made that I'm putting aside. And now I'll give myself 5 new cards. And the game goes on like this until you get to the end of the deck. When you finish the deck, if you have more points than the deck does, then you win. I wish you all the best in finding combinations to 10. Remember, you can add, subtract, multiply, divide, use any types of combinations of those in an equation as long as your final result is 10. Good luck!